What's going on YouTube? I am iamsickflowz back with another anime reaction. Today we are reacting to Chainsaw Man Season 1 Episode 1. Now I know a lot of people love this anime. A lot of friends have told me about it, so I'm here to check it out. I'm really excited to check this one out. Like always, if you guys want access to full uncut anime reactions and other cool perks, check us out on Patreon, link in the description. Now without further ado, let's get right into this episode. Boy! It's always interesting to see how an anime starts. At least for me it is. Never go down an alley by yourself. For sure. Maybe even not with anybody in at all, but uh-oh. That doesn't look creepy at all. Like, it's a door with a whole bunch of paper stuck to it. Oh, that boy done got knocked out. I told him not to go in there, man. I told him. Maybe this is where he's living? I wonder if this anime is just going to be about a guy with a chainsaw. Chainsaw Man, of course, but... Damn, that's tough. He's got to walk that entire way to work. 60,000 a month? For the kidney, 1.2 million. Then why is he living for my right eye? He sold his eye? The hell is that? 1,000. You know what's weird? Is that... Yeah, like he's claiming to make all this money. Damn, he's in debt for 38 million. What the hell is that? Cheetah. Was that a dog with a chainsaw on his head? 300 for killing one devil. Okay, this looks like a tomato with eyes. And oh. I said it was a tomato. $400,000. Okay, so they're getting paid in yen. I figured. I figured it was yen. Slice of bread. That's tough. Having a slice of bread for lunch or dinner? Okay, so his name is Denji. Okay. So now we know his name is Denji. His debt is from his father. I'm guessing he passed away. No way that boy ate the cigarette for 100 yen. Oh, okay. Okay, this boy got a little trick. 3 days food, okay. Oh my. They're eating... Not only is he eating, like, the bread, like, plain, but he's sharing it with his little devil pet. Yeah, no, that he lives like that's not even a home. That is literally a shack for sure. Hey, what? This boy's a virgin, bro. This boy said if I could have one dream in the world, like it wouldn't even be a house, it wouldn't be nothing. It would just be to sleep with a girl. Okay. That's crazy. The man is down bad. Oh, that's crazy, man. That sucks. So his father died from hanging himself. And that's how... And now, like, the debt is, like, up to him to pay it off. That's... Okay, so that devil The devil is just called a chainsaw. What? Oh. I'm not gonna lie, this little devil little chainsaw thing is a little cute. I'm not gonna lie. I kinda want one. Devils can heal by drinking blood. Okay, so it understands also oh. You know what's cool, right? Like he's like saying like, yo, this is a contract. I'm saving your life so you save mine. But in theory, couldn't the devil just have bit him without his permission anyways? Oh. Okay, so like he's got like the handles like a chainsaw as well. Okay. So it's literally a chainsaw. Hey, that sounds like a great night minus like the bread with jam. Oh, what? What? Oh, damn. So we... Okay, so now we know that both his parents are dead. His mom died from a heart disease. His dad died from hanging himself. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of liking the animation of this anime as well. Like, it looks very cool, man. It looks very dark in a way. Very adultish, right? Nothing like too like childish. Nighttime dream. Curvy ass roads, man. Where they going? I'm guessing this is based on Japan, like out of Japan. I don't think it's like a unique world, made up world or anything. I think it is based out on Japan that just happens to have devils. Oh, don't... Is it a setup? Is it a setup? Hiding. So the devil chainsaw pet, like the tail looks like it's a cord for a chainsaw or maybe something you pull on. Oh, Denji. It's kind of like a mess up thing to say to somebody. It is a setup. What the hell is that? Is that a person or a devil? Oh. No. No. Nah, man, they killed him? I want his death of all devil hunters? Oh my god. Damn. Well, of course. guys tear him apart and then throw the pieces. This is actually crazy. I'm glad to see that it looks like he's about to survive, but like, that was a very nice like twist. I knew it was kind of gonna be a setup. I just did not know what type of setup it was gonna be. So these are zombie devils now. Or humans that have the zombie devil powers, I mean. Stupid zombie. How you gonna trip over that? Nah. Chainsaw. Don't die, chainsaw. Oh, oh. Oh my. Oh no, he's done. He's done. Yeah, he's done. Oh my. Damn. Not like this, Denji. Oh yeah, he's done for. He doesn't make it out. There's no way you make it out of there. You were getting stabbed back to back, multiple zombies on you. Your devil pet is it looks like he died. I'm not gonna lie. D40? Then they threw him in the dumpster. That's Denji, right? Maybe his pet saves him, maybe? Oh yeah. Oh, because the blood heals the devils. So his dripping blood got into the devil's mouth. Pause. Okay. It's a cute little pet. This is so wholesome, right? That he knows that he might die from devil hunting. But he's like, I worry about you after I die. Body? Huh? How can he have his body? Make my dream come true. So this is like a memory that I'm guessing the chainsaw pet is having? Yeah, seems like it. And he's making his dream come true. Damn, they chopped him up though. Wait, so... Oh, wow. Pochita.
俺の体ちゃんと奪えたか
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。
They talk?
これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。
Give you my
代わり
heart.
にデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
どうした
Wait, so is it Denji or is it Pochita? Oh, I'm kind of sad now though. I'm kind of sad Pochita is dead. You better, man, you better fuck him up, man. You better fuck up that zombie demon devil thing right now. Come on, let's go, let's go. Oh, that boy is feeling himself right now. Pause. Damn, true. Damn.
悪いことじゃねえけど。
I want to see what type of powers he has. You better pull that string. Oh, it didn't work. I did not expect that not to work. I'm not gonna lie. I thought he was about to go fuck him up. And the boy died twice in one day. That's crazy. Wait, I hear the chainsaw though. Oh. Oh, what? What in the hell? His face became a chainsaw completely. His arms. Oh, this is sick. Oh, this is fire. Oh, this is fire. This is fire. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Damn. What else are you gonna do? What else? Come on. Oh. That boy got hit with a pipe. Oh. Uppercut chainsaw. Oh. No, that hurts. Damn, he's just launching zombies at him. He says, no problem. I got chainsaws, my boy. Ooh, get fucked. Wow. Oh. Damn, that boy became fast too. Like, oh, what did he hit him with it? What is that? Oh. Oh my God. Yeah, he literally just chainsawed him in half. Nah. What are these zombies gonna do now? What are the zombies gonna do? Y'all gonna back away? Y'all better back away. Y'all seen what he just did to your creator. Oh, okay. I like this. Okay, this boy is literally enjoying all of this. That was fire, though. That was a fire, like, fighting scene there. Does he go back to normal, though? Or does he stay like a chainsaw after it's activated? Who's this? Oh, these like part of the Yakuza? They gotta be, right? Yeah, yeah, they're definitely Yakuza. They look like they're a mob. They're mobbed out. Oh, maybe not? Who's she? Uh-oh. Another fighting scene? Wait, maybe they're devil hunters. They could also be devil hunters. If they're not Yakuza, they're not. But... the hell? He's a combo. Oh, that boy. Oh, he ran out of juice. Damn, why is she all on his body like that? He said, homie, she hugged him. Wait, what? This melts away?
人だ。
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。
So he's not possessed.
私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た。公安のデビルハンターなんだ。
Okay, so she is a devil hunter, okay.
君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、
Ooh.
人として私に変われるか。
What the hell?
ならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
Hey, yo! What? It's either live or be my bitch, is basically what she said. She basically...
朝飯はどんなの？
食パンにバターとジャム。
With butter? Oh, yeah, he's in. He's in. She said bread with butter and jam, he's in. Look at that boy is happy. All right, well, that was Chainsaw Man Season 1, Episode 1, and we have a lot to talk about. But before we get into it, man, I think this episode was perfection. I love the action that they showed through the end of the episode there. I didn't expect any fighting scenes on Episode 1. Typically, if animes that I've seen, they do it, it's a very light fight. I think this was a sick fighting scene, especially for Episode 1. I'm kind of sad that Pochita died, right? Because Pochita, right? I thought we were gonna see Denji and Pochita combination throughout the whole show, right? Where you have the devil hunter and the devil pet, and they have this beautiful friendship throughout the whole show. That's what I was expecting from how they introduced the two characters, right? However, I could also appreciate how Pochita gave up his life, right? Or its life, I don't know if it's a he or she, but its life to save Denji, right? I think that was a beautiful thing. And then also how Denji's able to be a devil but also a human. Like, I don't know if that's something that we'll see more of on the show, because there we saw how the zombie devil, right, gave the humans his zombie devil powers, but they only turn into a zombie devil and they're no longer human. Whereas in Denji seems to be able to go back and forth between the two. So hopefully we get to see a little bit more of that. I also appreciated how the girl came in, right? I thought that they were gonna be like the Yakuza because of how they were dressed. Turned out she was a devil hunter, and it was cool and all. And I knew she was gonna ask him to like join the team. I knew that was coming, right? I could feel it, right? But the way that she asked, I think it was very comical, right? She's like, either you die or you become my bitch, right? You become my pet. But Denji was okay with that because he's like, yo, you're giving me bread with butter and jam and some coffee? That sounds amazing, right? Denji has wanted that for most of his adult life from what we've seen on Episode 1. But either way, man, I'm excited for Episode 2. Make sure you guys subscribe here with notification bells on, because every single Tuesday, there will be a Chainsaw Man reaction here, uploaded at 12 p.m. Eastern time. If you want 24 hours beforehand, you guys can go ahead and join up the Patreon. Link will be in the description as well. Now the Patreon, you get to watch the full uncut, unedited reaction ad-free. Okay, so check it out on Patreon if you want to see the uncut version. Subscribe, slap that like button, and I'll see you guys next time with another one. Bow.